Good morning and welcome to 10 days of editing with the small presets. I am Monica the Mom Tog, and I am going to spend the next 10 videos editing with small. You can see right here they have in this original pack there is 1 through 10, and so we're going to do one a day starting out today with the first one. If you are not familiar with these presets or haven't seen people use them, here they are. This is the pack that we're using. It's $51. That's not terrible. They're super popular. People love these things. I love them. I don't use them all the time. But anyway, this is what we're working with today. Here's our before and after. And so let's get started. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video while you're at it, and we'll take a look at editing with small. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to choose the preset. This is what it looks like as soon as I push the button. This is obviously not where we end up. I prefer to remove the grain, so I'm going to go ahead and do that just real quick. You've seen me click enable profile corrections before. I'm going to save that for later simply because these presets come with just some other adjustments, one of which is a lens profile, and so that's actually what's going to end up getting clicked. I'll just go ahead and do it now. I was going to save it for later, but we'll just do it now. I am going to do auto white balance. It was just a little bit off. It's not too bad. Maybe bring up the shadows a little bit, mess with my blacks a little bit. I mean, honestly, I feel like this is a little warm. Let's bring it back down. Somewhere in there. This preset does kind of make the skin tones a little bit orangey. I don't hate it in this photo. Sometimes it's not bad. Sometimes it is, it'll seem really orange and I really want to adjust it. Sometimes it helps. It's just like a white balance issue, and as long as you just take your temperature a little bit more blue, it's fine. Or if you feel like your white balance is good otherwise, then you can just come here and play with your orange saturation slider and just bump it down a tiny bit, and you can just see that slight change in the amount of orange in her skin. Super easy. I like where the sharpening is on this particular preset, so I'm not going to touch that. And for me, everything else looks pretty good in terms of just playing with this panel here. There are a couple of different toning options with the small presets. You can kind of, if you'll just look over here, you can see kind of what they're all doing. Nature, love, cinematic, romantic, earthbound, warm-hearted. My daughter loves pink. We were in the process of painting her room pink. She has a pink headband. She has a rose gold number 5 balloon in the background. This was for her birthday. And I like what the romantic tone does to it, and so I'm going to add that. Just kind of makes it a little more girly in my opinion. You can adjust your blacks and whites. I did soft blacks. I thought it looked nice. It's just a slight adjustment. I was happy with my sharpening, but you can adjust that here. I already took my grain out. You can adjust that here. And then we already did the lens profile. So this is, let's see how close this is to the, oh, my last one was a little bit warmer. So we'll warm it up a tiny bit. There you go. And this is the after using small 1. There you go. And there you go, day 1 of using the small presets. Tomorrow we will do number 2. Here's a little preview of what that's going to look like starting out. I may use this picture, I may use something different. We shall see. Maybe I'll use the same one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you tomorrow to edit with small number 2.